Welcome to my new video, and in this video we are going to the Hoover Dam in Nevada from Sedona, Arizona. Make sure to like, subscribe and share. We are at the View Cafe in Sedona, Arizona. Breakfast time. And look at this view. That's the View Cafe, and that's the view. We're on the streets of Sedona, uptown Sedona, walking.
It was beautiful.
It was beautiful.
We ate breakfast at this rooftop view
Cafe.
thing. It had Starbucks, so that made it even better.
Yep, it was amazing. And look, there are so many cactus because it's a desert. Ginger?
Yeah.
How is it?
If you suck on it, it's actually kind of good.
Someone is eating ginger.
Mahi likes.
Yeah, Mahi likes it, right, Mahi?
Yeah.
Wait.
Yum! Your face doesn't say that. How was it? Sour? Stop here on the side of the road to enjoy the snow. It's a muddy snow. Dirty snow. But it's cold. Snow!
Dirty snow.
Dirty snow, I know.
If someone fell down, it would be the end of them.
One-way ticket. One-way ticket to heaven. We are at the Hoover Dam right now, and there are so many people here. One of the last scene of Doom 3 was filmed here.
Yeah, so two guys, they have like twins. They're being hunted down for stealing and theft. But they're like, kind of like Robin Hood. They're stealing from the rich and giving to the poor. And then
And
like,
yeah,
being
they were fighting here.
And then one of them attempts suicide too.
Yeah, that's
And
the
then-
scene filmed here.
And then the other one like catches him, and then they both die because of themselves. It's a very
Yeah.
happy ending. For them,
Well,
very happy ending. They were literally
But, yeah.
smiling while they were dying.
One
They're
of-
like,
one of the Bollywood movie scene was filmed here, and I'm pretty sure many other Hollywood movie scenes were filmed here.
they saw a dog. So cute.
Must have come up to that line since it's a straight
So
line. Yes. Arizona, and that's Nevada. And states have different times. So Nevada, it's In Nevada, it's 2:45 right now, and in Arizona, it's 3:45. We are doing the power plant tour, and we're gonna see 15-minute movie.
You have to go through security for
Yeah, it's like an airport. We went
shorter.
Yeah, we went through the security and everything. So yeah,
One of the
one of the 4 big tunnels here in the Hoover Dam.
Colorado River used to run through here. Cool. All right, guys, just one place. You can stand anywhere you like around the rail. Just do not stop at the entrance. Do not.
But they're doing something.
That's the bridge behind us,
Art.
and there is the Hoover Dam.
Oh, there's a dent in it. In the fall. In the fall, there's a dent.
But this is a picture.
Now it's
Yay! What happened to my? It's Hoover Dam water. Where does it say?
Hoover Dam, Nevada.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's in the big
We don't need a magnet.
souvenir
anymore.
water bottle.
They were $5 in the vending machine.
Yeah, $5 souvenir water bottle.
And it says Nevada, Hoover Dam, Nevada.
Hoover Dam.
And Arizona said they have Hoover Dam, Arizona.
Probably. We have to walk all the way there, because we parked our car there. It's a lot of walking. But if you like the history and all that, I highly recommend doing the tour. Right, Mike? You get to see how it's built and everything. We're in the Nevada right now. We are walking in the Arizona from Nevada.
Nevada.
Yep. In Nevada it's 4:30 right now. Let's see what time. Well, in Arizona it's probably 5:30. There's a 1 hour time difference. We are in Arizona. The time is 5:30. It's like that. It's crazy. And we are 2 hours behind from Florida. Yeah. So Nevada is 3 hours behind from Florida, and Arizona is 2 hours behind from Florida. So currently the time in Florida is 7:30 in the evening. And the tour took us, you see that concrete thing, we went down in there into that building. So yeah, we were there. We went all the way down there. They have elevators in there. So we went all the way down. And that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. I know it took time for this video to come out because I was busy with my studies. But one more video will come of this trip. That's gonna be the last video. That's the video when we went to the Valley of Fire State Park. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you all soon in my next video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share.